Hi guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, modern company produces three products and the name of the products are A, B, C and the other details are given below. So in the other details we have given a table on which has four columns and four columns which contains particulars and the product names A, B, C. And first item is the selling price. Selling price is given as 120, 110 and 130 each. Then the material cost per unit, which is 60, 70 and 85. Then variable cost 30, 20, 15. Maximum demand per unit is 30,000, 25,000 and 40,000. Time required on bottleneck resolves hours per unit. So the bottleneck or the limited resource is the time, and per unit time is 5, 4 and 3. And there are 3,20,000 minutes of bottleneck hours available on each month. So in this illustration we need to calculate the optimum mix based on the throughput concept. So we have 3,20,000 bottleneck hours. So here they have given hours per unit, which is 5, 4 and 3 hours. Okay, so 5 hours for 5 hours required to produce 1 unit of product A, and 4 hours is required to produce 1 unit of product B, and 3 hours is required to produce 1 unit of product C. So the requirement is that calculate the optimum product mix based on the throughput concept. So here we need to compute or we need to identify the optimum product mix. So I'm going directly to the solution. So in this solution I have made three tables. In the first table I have written particulars and A, B, C, three products. And then first item I have made is the selling price. Selling price is directly taken from the question 120, 110 and 130. Then I just deducted that material cost, which is 60, 70 and 85. Then we will get the throughput contribution. So throughput contribution is nothing but when we deduct material cost from selling price. No other variable cost or no other expense is considered for computation of throughput analysis or throughput contribution. So we will get a contribution of 60, 40 and 45. After that we need to take time required for the product, which is 5, 4 and 3, which is taken from the question, and we need to compute throughput contribution per hour. The throughput contribution per hour is computed when we divide throughput contribution with throughput time required for the production unit. That is 60 divided by 5, which gives 12. 40 divided by 4 will give 10, and 45 divided by 3 will give 15. And these are the contributions which we will receive when per hour basis. So for 1 hour of manufacturing of product A, we will get rupees 12 as contribution. So here we need to consider most highest factor as first rank, because we will get more contribution from the product which has most contribution per unit. So in this illustration we have C, which we will give 15 rupees on hourly basis. So if you produce a product of C, we will get 15 rupees as contribution. Okay, so 15 is the rank 1. Then we will check the next lowest contribution per unit, which is 12, that is product A. So we need to rank it as 2, and the most lowest will be ranked as 3. So in this illustration we have total hours as 3,20,000 hours. So I have made another table to compute the optimum mix. So in this table I have made product maximum product to be used, time required, ranking, and then hours. So we have the product as A, B, C, and the maximum unit which is taken from the question as 30,000, 25,000 and 40,000, and we have time required, which is 5, 4 and 3, and we need to allocate the hours using ranking method. So first we'll go for first ranking. We need to produce a maximum quantity we can produce is 40,000 unit. So we need to multiply 40,000 with 3 hours, which will give 1,20,000 hours. Then we need to check the second rank. What is the second rank? Second rank goes to product A. So when we multiply, the maximum product we can produce is 30,000 unit. So we need to take the hours. So for the computation of hours, we need to multiply maximum product into time required, which will give 1,20,000 hours. The remaining will goes to the product B, the manufacturing of the product B, which is 50,000 hours. Okay. So next we will compute what are the product, or how will be the product is produced, or what is the optimum mix which will give the maximum throughput contribution. So for that I have prepared a table which contains table product, time required, hour allotted and optimum quantity. Product, as you all know, that A, B, C, and time required 5, 4, 3, and we have all hours allotted, which we have taken from the above table as 1,50,000, 50,000 and 1,20,000. And when we divide hours allotted with time required, we will get that optimum quantity mix, which is 1,50,000 divided by 5, which will give 30,000. 50,000 divided by 4 will give 12,500, and 1,20,000 divided by 3, which is 40,000. So guys, I think you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.